Now that we've covered the text that will help you with the technicalities and fundamental concepts, we're ready to see which books take a different approach to these topics. Before running any code, if you're new to this field, you should probably read up on how to approach any data science problem. That is why I recommend these books on non-technical data science. Weapons of Math Destruction by Cathy O'Neil. In a world where algorithms and mathematical models make decisions, everything appears to be very fair because everything is handled with the same rules. However, Cathy O'Neil gives us examples of how the lack of regulations and legislation in models can lead to injustice and more for socially vulnerable people. In this book, she provides the tools and knowledge needed to comprehend these weapons and their use of data. Everybody lies. Big data, new data, and what the internet can tell us about who we really are. By Seth Stevens-Davidowitz. Do parents treat their sons differently than they do their daughters? Can you manipulate the stock market? How many people read the books they purchase? The premise of this book is that we can learn what people really think, what they really want, and what they really do by using big data. With this book, you will learn about data applications while changing your worldview. Naked Statistics: Stripping the Dread from the Data by Charles Wheelan. This book demonstrates how using the right data in conjunction with well-chosen statistical tools and models can help us answer questions and focus solely on the insights and concepts that drive statistical analysis. Wheelan strips away technical and archaic details while showing how researchers use data today. The Black Swan by Nassim Taleb. This book will teach you how we deceive ourselves into thinking we know more than we actually do, and how we forget to consider what we don't know. While large events continue to surprise and shape our world, we limit our thinking to the irrelevant and insignificant. This is a general book about probabilities and the consequences of highly unlikely events. The Signal and the Noise: Why So Many Predictions Fail, But Some Don't, by Nate Silver. Why do many of the predictions people make fail to happen? Nate Silver argues that the reason is that most of us make a poor distinction between probability and uncertainty. We often mistake more confident predictions for more accurate ones. So this book will let you know what can we do better to separate a true signal from noisy data. Artificial Intelligence: A Guide for Thinking Humans by Melanie Mitchell. Humans see themselves working with super-intelligent machines. But how intelligent are the finest AI systems? And how do they function? Melanie Mitchell distinguishes between science fiction and actual AI developments and paints a clear picture of what the discipline has achieved thus far in its pursuit of human-level intelligence, and how far it still has to go. Now that you have all this knowledge at your disposal, it's time for you to do some research and keep seeking information that will aid in your job as a data scientist. Remember to have fun while learning something new. Please let us know in the comments if you have any additional books that you believe belong in either of our categories. Save this video or share it with a friend to motivate them to start their data science career. If you want to receive more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you at the next one.